How to fix Instagram chats not showing. Hello guys, so first thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this and then wait a few seconds. On this page it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone, and after that you have now to scroll down until you find the Instagram, and when you find it you have to click on it. Click on this for stop and then click on storage. Wait a few seconds, it will start computing the number of data, and then click on clear data, clear cache. Go back, click on the data usage right here and make sure that all the options are enabled. Now restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.